Close your eyes and imagine you're on a beach and the sun is about to set. You're sitting on the shore as the tide is rolling out. Dip your toes in the warm water. Focus on the sounds of the waves and nature around you. Now take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, and release your breath slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat that. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the warm sand between your toes and let your hands settle, sinking slowly into the powdery sand. Continue listening to the waves and faintly hear thunder in the distance. You're safe, you're calm, you are releasing your tensions and anxiety. You think about some of the blessings in your life and how joyful you are to have loved ones in your life. You take a moment to whisper a soft prayer of thankfulness. You open your eyes to see the sun slowly setting, and then watch the sun quickly drop into the ocean. You watch the sky changing into a spectacular display that only you and a few around you can see. And in your mind's eye, you take a picture. Remember how calm you feel and leave your anxiety on the wave that is drifting away from you.